Grammar, page 104. Read the letter and circle 6 words that should begin with capital letters. Dear Mike. Do we need to capitalize anything there? Yes, we need to capitalize the proper noun Mike. It's a special name. Would you like to come to the show gallery with us? Anything we need to capitalize in that sentence? Yes, this is the name of the gallery. It is a proper noun, so it needs to be capitalized. It is on Front Street in the city. Do you see any proper nouns in that sentence? Yes, Front Street needs to be capitalized. Dad says we will see some great paintings. Great paintings there. Do you see anything that needs to be capitalized? Yes, our proper noun, Dad. We are going in 2 weeks. Your friend, Sandy Juan. Do you see any more things that we need to circle? Sandy Juan is a proper noun, and her last name is not capitalized. That needs to be circled. Do we have 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's move on to down to the next directions. Write the sentence correctly. Add an adjective to tell more about the underlined nouns. Do you remember what an adjective is? It describes a noun. So let's look at our sentence and then describe the underlined nouns. The name of the girl who painted that daisy is Joanne Reed. Let's fix it as we add in our adjectives. Go ahead and start with the first 2 words. Capitalize the, it's the beginning of a sentence. The name of the. Let's think of an adjective to describe girl. Go ahead and write down an adjective that you can think of. I'm going to describe the girl as tall. The name of the tall, and then write your noun, girl, who painted that. Now we need to describe Daisy. How are you going to describe Daisy? Use an adjective. I'm going to describe it as pretty. The name of the tall girl who painted that pretty daisy is Joanne Reed. Joanne Reed is a proper noun, which means we need to capitalize her name. Joanne Reed. Her first and last name needs to be capitalized. Then put a punctuation at the end of your sentence. They have a period. Pause the video if you need time to finish.